Welcome back, strangers, to Shen Bridged Part 5, Boat Trip Denied. In our last episode, we saw the damnable forklifting minigame from hell. Let's see what happens next. Yes.
I don't look whorish enough.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
What? You again?
Do you sell boat tickets to Hong Kong here?
Yeah, we do.
Can I see them?
Fuck. Here you go.
Oh, 69. My favorite number.
Of course it is.
I'll take it.
You have to pay up first so I can arrange it.
Okay. Time to whip out my pimping cash. That should cover it.
Ooh, pretty. Yoink?
Excuse me.
What? I'll take care of it. God, women must hate you in bed.
The ticket.
Come back in 3 or 4 hours.
Alright. I'll be back in 3 or 4 hours. Nice legs, by the way.
Nice ass. To you, too.
This boat trip better be worth it.
After 4 grueling hours, Rio returns to Asia Travel Company in hopes of getting his boat ticket. Let's see what happens next. Yes.
Hello. Hi, I'm Rio Hazuki. I'm here for my ticket. Ticket? What ticket? The ticket I already paid for Hong Kong? What the hell are you talking about? Don't fuck me in the ass over this. You're not Walter from The Big Lebowski. What kind of shit is this? Scam. We don't take kindly to that. You better buy an apology cake, and it better be a damn fruit cake.
Hey, man. You be cool. If you want to get fucked in the ass and all.
V.I. Lenin, Vladimir Ilyich Ulyanov, and I want the ticket that I fucking paid for. You'll sort this out? You're damn right you'll sort this out, or else I'll be back. Well, regardless, I'll be back tomorrow morning to get my fucking ticket. Damn right.
Kid tries to open the door, finds out that it's locked. So he knocks instead. Kid needs to put more strength into it.
Who goes there? Shit! Hey, what's your problem? Not that squeaky-voiced crap.
Kid doesn't like
Get pretty sick of it.
Now the kid has to run. Kid doesn't like to run. Oh, now I have to run. Kid don't like bikes. Oh crap. There is no bike. The kid wants to go. Yeah, screw the bike. Just push it over. Kid doesn't want to run. Hey, stop! Hey, wait! Time for the kid to prove jumping skills. What the? Get out of my way! Fumbling the kid. Kid needs to show off some skills. Finally, the kid catches the gets the man. I'm sorry!
What do you mean you're sorry? Why should I forgive you? I want the ticket I paid for. Cut the crap and give me my ticket. What's up with those groans? Are you seriously telling me you're climaxing right now? And none of that squeaky voiced accent crap neither. I'm sorry! That bitch with the legs ran off with the money! Please don't hurt me! I've got a wife and kids! Hurt them! That's your problem. I still want the ticket that I paid for. Here, take this ticket to the Philippines! That's Canada for Asians. Nobody wants to go to the Philippines. I'm planning on skipping town tonight. I got nothing left, man. I'm broke as fuck. I can't get a ticket if I shat myself. Who's that guy that can Hulk jump? I think he's connected to the Mad Angels. Don't take my word for it. The Mad Angels? Who are they? work at the harbor at one point? They harassed the new guys. I mean, you got the bill to be working at a harbor.
Who's their boss?
I don't know. I don't know. Please let go of my arm. I can't piss anymore. I can't piss myself anymore.
Great, he's crying.
Ryo-san, welcome home.
Hi, Ine-san.
Were you just with Nozomi-san?
No. Wait, why?
Well, Ida-san just phoned, and it appears Nozomi-san never came home.
What?
Nozomi-san told me she was meeting you. Ida-san said she can't get a hold of Nozomi-san.
I got this. Go for Rio. Who is this?
What? You can't tell by my voice. Anyway, get your ass down to behind Warehouse 17. Don't, Rio, or it's a trap. If you don't get here, I will make her cry.
Don't you dare hurt... Actually, hurt Nozomi. She's Canadian.
You have 2 minutes. I bet you can't get here by that time.
Challenge accepted.
I got you now. No, you don't. Aw, come on, Terry. Let me have some fun. You want fun that bad. Why don't you play with him? Zoom in on my cock!
Where's Nozomi? Where are you keeping her?
She's right here. Get her out of my hole.
Your hole? Ew.
Rio,
Nozomi,
you came for me. I knew you would.
I swear it was only to advance the plot.
Oh. Well, it's nice to see you too,
Still,
then.
it was my fault you got captured.
My word. It was all your
So you're Terry.
fault.
I thought you'd be taller.
You're the tough little schoolboy that's been roughing up my boys. If I let you live, it sets a bad example.
Are you coming on to me?
What gave me away?
I'm taking Nozomi home.
Fine. She's all yours. But you have to do something for me.
What?
Beat up Guizang. Beat his ass good.
Okay.
Because of that Asian beetle, I don't have total control of the harbor. I want it bad. Do that, and she goes free.
Alright, I'll do it. No, Rio. Shut up. We're talking here. But on one condition. You take me to Land D.
Look at the balls on you, little schoolboy. Fine. I'll set the meat up for you.
What guarantee will I have that you'll hold up your end of the bargain?
I said I would do it. I said fine. Besides, I ain't no street punk. When Terry of Yokosuka speaks, he means what he says.
I'm taking Nozomi home.
Okay.
Yo, can we listen to that love theme song that was playing when we were riding back? No.
And there you have it, strangers. Round 2 between Rio and Guizhang is coming right up. But will Rio make it so that Guizhang can't walk? And if he does, will he finally be able to meet Land D? Tune in next time for Shen Bridged Part 6, Memories and Goodbye.